We are on the shuttle and on our way to the cruise port. We have arrived at the Oceania terminal, waiting for our embarkation. As you can see, it's not quite as crowded as probably if you've been on a cruise, some of the cruise ports. Good morning. We're at Oceania Cruise Port, waiting to get on the ship. We were at the Hampton Inn Brickell neighborhood, and there is a shuttle that we took this morning. It costs $8 per person, plus tip of course. Very efficient, got us here in good time. There are, I believe, 3 or 4 sign-up times per day, depending on when your cruise leaves. We decided to take the 10 a.m. shuttle because our arrival time is sometime between 11:30 and noon. But got here in really good time and just waiting now. Here we go.
We're walking onto the Nautica.
Yeah.
You did keep this out, right?
So what do you say, Deb?
Hey, we are here. Pretty ship. One of the easiest embarkations. And compared to the crowds we were seeing at some of the other ships while we were dropped off, this is like a ghost ship because it's small. That's right.
So we've checked in, got our muster station, and this is the main dining room. Probably will be here tonight. We'll see. Hello. We're on the Oceania Nautica, room 7093. And this is our stateroom. So we have a veranda stateroom.
Shall we start here?
Yes.
All right, we have a lovely closet, plenty of hanging space, life jackets, of course, robes, an umbrella should we need it. There's some slippers down there too. And on this side, we have some hanging space, a cruise bag,
Pool towels, nice safe,
good size safe.
more
You
storage.
could get a small laptop in there, probably tablets for sure. Drawers, hair dryer, bathroom,
Okay.
doors on the shower.
Shower door.
Let's take a look here. Watch your step.
Have to watch your step going into cruise bathrooms. So it's not
It's not huge, but
adequate. Yes.
lots of lovely towels, nice and soft. Bulgari amenities, soap, body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Nope, that's body lotion. That's conditioner. That's the shampoo. I can't read the French. Clothesline. Perfectly adequate bathroom.
In the bed we have plugs and USBs on both sides, it looks like.
There's an American and a European. So bring an adapter so you can use all the plugs. And it looks like we've got an A and a B and a C.
Yes, yes.
More drawers, clock.
In the corner here we have
More storage.
And Oceania does a nice thing. They give complimentary water bottles and water. They refill every day. You can
It's filled.
put in your water bottle for your shore excursions, or obviously drink in your room.
And we saw a couple of
Oh.
filling stations around, so you can refill them as needed. Oh, that feels
Very
nice.
nice looking bed. And we have a desk here with many things.
Information on
Oh.
calendar of voyages, spa services, obviously a phone. Oh, look at this. Notepad and pen. You're not seeing those a lot. Shore excursion tickets.
Beverage package.
Beverage package information. Wine and beverage guide. What have we got here? Oh, wine tastings and events. We'll have to look
my.
at that. Letters to read. The daily program, occurrence.
More plugs. We have USB, we have European and American and
Yep.
USB plugs.
And it looks like this mirror lights up.
Oh
It
yes.
does.
Oh yes.
Handy dandy little stool, so if we want to share space.
Refrigerator.
Which is stocked with complimentary soft drinks. And they will refill that. So we're told. We'll find out.
And because of where we are, we were given some
Well,
chance.
this one was complimentary as part of our stateroom. This one is from our son.
Aha.
That's why he asked if we were in our stateroom yet. And some strawberries. I'm
Oh.
guessing these are from both of our children.
How nice. Yes, it says right on it.
Mm-hmm. And what?
If we can open the door, we'll be doing fine. Very nice out here. Very nice veranda. Of course, we have the port noise in the background, but I think we'll enjoy this. Hopefully the weather cooperates.
Table. We can have breakfast out here if we want.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah. This is nice. This is nice.
So, all in all, pretty much what you'd expect on stateroom size on an older, little bit older ship, but it's going to be perfectly adequate for us. More than adequate.
The decor is gorgeous. They just refurbed in 2024. So it's lovely. Plenty of power outlets, plenty of space for us, lots of storage space.
And lights, reading lights. Okay.
Good evening. It is Monday, December 23rd, and it's around 5-ish, and we are wrapping up the afternoon of our embarkation day on the Oceania Nautica.
We had some lounge time, hot tub time, a couple of drink time.
And a good bit of sun time.
Yes, we got it. We got some sun.
And we came back to the cabin and we've changed for dinner, and they did all the last muster safety instructions. So we're off.
Yeah, we did get a little bit of bad news where the sea state will be such that we cannot go to the private island that Norwegian Oceania goes to. That would be Great Stirrup Key. So they told us we're going to Nassau instead. Not what we really want to do, but Nassau could be fun.
We'll figure it out.
And you know, we're on a cruise, so
Never a bad day on a cruise.
nope.
Then we're going to get some dinner, and we'll maybe check in with you later if we remember.
See ya. And we're saying goodbye to